what's going on, and welcome back. In today's video we're going to carry on with Over the Wire Bandit challenges, and we're gonna pick up where we left off the last time. So we were at level 19 and we need to jump to level 20. So let's see today where we can reach. So basically right now we are here. Let's see if we can reach level 27 or 28. So let's get started. Okay, so right now I'm in Bandit 29. Now let's go back and read what is required in this level. To gain access to the next level, you should use the set UID binary in the home directory. Execute without arguments to find out how to use it. So that line is kind of educational, telling you guys when you find a set UID bit file, before just thinking about what to do, run the file, see what it does. The password for this level can be found in the usual place, etc bandit pass, after you have used the set UID binary. Okay, let's see. So ls-la. So indeed the binary here has the set, as you can see, the suit bit set, and the owner is bandit 20, but again bandit 19 is in the group which can run the binary. So basically we can run the binary. Yeah. So now bandit, let's run the file as instructed, and we see kinda help statement here. Run a command as another user. Example, bandit 20 do, bandit 20 do, and id. So basically the binary runs something as another user. So basically if we try running this command, let's see what it does. No such file. Oh, okay. ID. And as you can see, it executes the ID command as the user bandit 19. Now our job here is to find the password for bandit 20. So since the binary here executes system commands, we're going to take advantage of that, and we see how to find the password. The password is located at etc/bandit_pass. So to find the password, let's do this. Cat, and then we're gonna say bandit, specify the directory, etc bandit_pass bandit 20, and we were able to find out the password. So basically just we supplied a system command and the binary did the rest. So let's take that and log into the next level. So what you learn from this is actually just when you see a set UID binary, the first thing you do, run the file, see what it does, and then find your way how to exploit the binary to your advantage depending on your purpose. sh bandit 20 localhost. Yes. Alright, so right now we are at level 20. Let's now go back and go to level 20 to 21. So there is a set UID binary again in the home directory that does the following. It makes a connection to localhost on the port you specify as a command line argument. It reads a line of text from the connection and compares it to the password in the previous level. Okay, if the password is correct, it will transmit the password for the next level, bandit 21. Note, try connecting to your own network diamond to see if it works as you think. Okay, so here there is two parts to this challenge. The first one is you're given that the binary is making a connection on a port you specify, so you control the port. We can make the instance create a connection to any port we want, and the port is taken as a command line argument. So it means that we need to use netcut here. Netcut localhost and any port you want. That's the first part. The next part, once you connect, it reads a line of text from the connection. Okay, so basically you need to create a connection and then create another one to listen to that connection. The next part is reading a line from the listener. So basically here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna say view split and sh bandit 20 password. Okay, so in here ls connect, that is the binary that is making the connection. So how do we use it itself? And this is the usage. So connect and the port number. This program will connect to the given port on localhost. Yeah, we read this line actually. So let's try now connecting to something, but it's not gonna work. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, couldn't connect. Basically because there is no open port or no port. The machine is not listening on port 1, 2, 3, 4. To understand this, you can run netstat -a and grep 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, there is nothing. If you run netstat -a on its own, you will see also nothing. All right, that's why we couldn't connect on port 1, 2, 3, 4. We are not actively listening on port 1, 2, 3, 4, so we have to do that. On the right pane on the right side, we're gonna say nc.lvp 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we run this, and here we run connect. So as you can see, we're able to connect, but that's not all. If you get back, as you can see, it's saying it then reads a line of text from the connection and compares it to the password of the previous level, Bandit 20. If the password is correct, it will transmit the password for the next level. Of course, there is no feed here from the listener. So what we can do here, we can say run this connection and supply this connection with the password of Bandit 20, so that when we connect here, it will read this line from this listener. So I'm gonna exit, and here say we use this arrow indicating that we are supplying an input to the listener, etc bandit underscore pass bandit 20, and we run the listener. No such file or directory. So that's it. Connect. So as you can see here, once this connected to 1, 2, 3, 4 on my listener, it read this line because I supplied this line as an input from the first command here. When it found the password matches the correct password, as you can see, password matches, sending next password. It sent the password to the listener, and here's the password for the next level. Okay, exit. So sh bandit 21 localhost, yes. All right, so right now we are on level 21. Let's see here, go back. A program is running automatically at regular intervals from cron, the time-based job scheduler. Log in /etc/cron.d for the configuration and see what command is being executed. So here's basic introduction to the cron job, how it works. So let's go over that and see what are the scheduled jobs under the cron tab. So ls cat etc cron.d cd. So we have multiple cron jobs. Since we are at level 21, our target is to enumerate or find out what is cron job Bandit 22 doing. So cat cron 22. So that is the cron job actually. Let's take a look at this. As you can see, we have all asterisks. It means the job is running every minute, every day of the week, and every day of the month. So this one is for weeks, days of the month, months, days of the week. So basically, since we have all asterisks, there is no specification. It means the cron job is running every minute, every day of the every week, every day of the week, every day of the month. So basically, this one runs all the time, every minute. And as you can see, it's running the script located at /user/bin/cronjob bandit22.sh, and the owner is bandit22. Let's find out if we can open the script as user bandit21. So we need to take a look at the permissions. So bandit22 is the owner, but bandit21 is listed in the group. So the group actually can execute the file. Before executing the file, let's take a look at what it does. So we're gonna cat this file. Let's take a look. So bin bash, here it's changing the permissions of this file located under temp, and it then outputs or sends the contents of the password of the next level to this file. So the key to finding the password is to cat this file. Cat, and this is the password for bandit22. No brainer, right? Okay. SSH bandit22 at localhost. Yes. Supply enter password, and now we are at level 22. Okay. A program is running automatically at regular intervals. Again, we are the cron job, the time-based job scheduler. Look in cron etc for the configuration and see what command is being executed. Looking at shell scripts written by other people is very useful skill. The script for this level is intentionally made easy to read. If you are having problems understanding what it does, try executing it to see the debug information it prints. Okay, let's see what is that script. So ls, nothing here, yeah, cd etc cron t bandit23. Let's cat this one. And let's see what we have. Again, we have a cron job running every minute, every day, and it runs /user/bin/cronjob_bandit23.sh. Let's take a look at this script and see what it does. So this script is assigning the current user to the variable called myname, and then it echoes the statement echo I am user. Here is the username, and it takes the MD5 hash of the username and then use cut to strip out the first field, which is all the hash actually. So here's cut -d for the field, the delimiter is space, and -f for the specifying the field number. The field number is 1. There's only one field, of course, it's the hash. So here it means it's storing the hash of the username under the variable my target. Then it's saying copying password file etc bandit pass my name to temp my target. The password for the username specified by the variable my name to the my target /temp my target. So it means there is a file being created at temp every time. So let's see the ls temp permission denied. Okay, that's fine. Let's take a look at ID. So what we need to do here is to find out the hash of user bandit23. So why is that? The script here is being run by every user. So our target user is bandit23. So when bandit23 runs this script, it will run here as bandit23, which means the translation of the variables here will be cat etc bandit pass, and here will be bandit23/temp, and here will be the bandit23 username hash. Let's see how we can do this ourselves. So let's say echo and take this, right, and then my name. The name here will hold the value of the how am I command. In case of the user bandit23, it will be bandit23, not 22. So we're gonna take this and say 23. Okay, so next we're gonna pipe this to the MD5 sum to extract the hash. So we are actually doing the actions of the script, right, to find out the hash of the bandit23. MD5 sum, and then we're gonna strip out the hash. So this is the hash of bandit23, which means this is the file name under temp. So by finding out the hash of the bandit23, you will be able to uncover the name of the file that stores the content of the password of the next level. Which means if you cat /temp and you take in the hash here, you will find the password for the user bandit23. I hope this was clear. Okay, SSH bandit23 at localhost. Yes. Okay, ID bandit23. Okay, let's jump now to level 24. A program is again running automatically at regular intervals from cron, the time-based job scheduler. Okay, this level requires you to create your own first shell script. This is a very big step and you should be proud of yourself when you beat this level. Keep in mind that your shell script is removed once executed, so you may want to keep a copy around. Okay, let's take a look now at what is it that will execute our script that will be removed every time. So cd etc cron.d, and since our target is bandit24, we're gonna display the contents of this file. Let's see, again, a cron job running every minute. This is the script being run every minute. Let's take a look at the contents of the script and see where we need to create our first shell script. Let's take a look here. So bin bash my name, again we are storing the value of the home I command, which is the current user or the logged in users to the my name variable. cd, we are cding to the directory var spool, and here will be the logged in users. Since we are targeting bandit24, we're going to assume here is var spool / bandit24. Echo executing and deleting all scripts in var spool my name. Okay, so here it's looking at the scripts in the var spool and deleting all of them. It executes and deletes. So it means we're going to create our own script under a /var/spool. To do that, let's examine the permissions of ls/ls var spool. What's this? Cannot access. Oh, look what it did. Okay, so actually it needs to be var. So the spool directory here is owned by root, and anyone who is part of the group can read the directory. So if we cd to var spool ls, we can read this. So let's take a look at the permissions here. So bandit24 owned by root and can be run by bandit24, and this is actually the script actually being run every minute. Let's take a look at the cron job. So bandit24, this is the script that is being executed every minute and deletes everything in the under this directory spool. So what we need to do here, we need to create our own shell script under the spool, since we have permissions, of course, and we're gonna need to make this run before it's being deleted. So what we do here, we create our own script. Let's say nano bandit 24 solution. Let's say, yeah, only let's say walkthrough.sh, and in here we're gonna say simple bin bash. Now what you're gonna do, we're gonna issue the command cat etc bandit pass bandit 24. We're gonna redirect this to another directory. Let's say temp walkthrough. Error writing bandit sh, permission denied. All right, let's exit then. Yes. Okay, let's cd into that directory, see if we can read this directory, bandit24. Examine the permissions. So here, I think we cannot read this directory since we are public. We can only write on the bandit24. So let's write a directory under bandit24, the same one, nano bandit 24 walkthrough, yeah, or pass. Okay, again bin bash, and then cat etc bandit pass. It is bandit 24, and we're gonna send this to temp directory bandit 24 pass. Move bandit 24. What was the name of the script? Yeah, move this. We're going to make this executable. So, and again .sh. chmode 777. And let's set your temp now. Let's wait now for the script to run. So we named the script as, the file that will contain the password is cat temp bandit 24 pass, no such file. Okay, let's see the back. Well, actually I forgot the file name. Okay, I create a new one. Pass v1 v2 bin dash cat etc bandit pass bandit 24 temp. Just name it as pass, nothing complex. Okay, now we're gonna wait, see if the password has been created. Pass, not yet. Let's wait for that, give it a minute to run. And yes, we forgot this, the permissions. So without adjusting the permissions of the script, it won't run. Oh, so as you can see, it has been removed. Let's cat now temp pass, and there is nothing else. Yeah, it didn't work because we didn't adjust the permissions of the script, and it has been deleted actually before we did this. So we're gonna again create it from scratch. That's painful. Then, oh nope, forgot the, okay, then dash cat etc bandit pass quickly permissions. Okay, let's now wait for like 5 seconds. We can know if the script has been executed or not by issuing this command again. If it worked, if it says no file or directory, it means the script has been run and deleted. Let's see. No, it does not be, it hasn't been run yet. Cat temp pass, not yet. Let's try now. Okay, so it has been run. Let's check out if the password file has been created. And yes, this is the password. So we take this and we jump to the next level. One key takeaway here, guys, is to understand the permissions of every directory. If you don't do this, you're gonna encounter problems. sh bandit 24 at local host. Yes, and this is the password. So let's read out now bandit 24 to 25. A daemon is listening on port 30,002 and will give you the password for bandit 25. Okay, great. If given the password of the for bandit 24 and a secret numeric 4-digit pin code, so here we come with the brute force. This challenge is flat out brute force. Brute force is a way to brute forcing digits or passwords is generating or taking the input from a list of digits or numbers of words and try it against specific server or servers and see if the list here contains a match to the correct numeric or password. That's the brute force. So here it's telling you guys you can find the password for Bandit 25 if you give the password for Bandit 24, which we have, and a secret 4-digit number, which we need to find. There is no way to retrieve the pin code except by going through all of the 10,000 combinations. Yeah, so we need to create now a word list actually, and run the word list alongside the Bandit 24 password to retrieve the password of the next level, which is 25. This is called brute forcing, as it says. Okay. ls. All right. So it's listening on port 30,000. I will give you the password. So I'm just here wondering how it will give you the password. So it means when we generate the word list, guys, we're going to need to send the word list to the local host on port 30,000. That's how it's gonna work. Okay, let's see. So let's now go to temp. Permission denied. Everything is denied here. Okay, let's create one script here. So nano. Okay, name it bandit 25 sh. Okay, the first thing is we put the shebang, and then we start creating the 4 digits. So we have 4 digits. We need to create a word list that starts with, let's say, 000, 4 digits, ends, work all the way up till 10,000. So we're gonna need here 4 for loops to generate 4 digits. As you can see, every digit will start from 0 until it reaches the 10,000, as the challenge saying here, right? There is no way to retrieve the pin code except by going through all of the 10,000 combinations. Okay, so 4 digits means 4 loops. The first one for, let's say, W in, and here we specify 4 digits. Starts from 0, 2 digits, and 9. And then next one we say here do. To do here, then the action of this loop will be to start another loop for the second digits. So 4 x w x, let's say here, and again the same logic here, 0 9 and then do. After that we're gonna enter do another loop for wx y in 0 9 do. So how many digits we have right now? 1 2 3. So we still have 1 actually to do. So the action for the third loop will be to start another loop for z in 0 9. So 2. This is the last for loop. After we generated now 4 digits, we're gonna need to put them in a word list. So as per the specification in the challenge, in order to have the password of Bandit 25, we have to find out the correct match. The correct match is one line, consists of the password of Bandit 24 alongside the 4-digit pin code. So we're gonna have to, every line in the word list will need to contain the password for the Bandit 24. So we're gonna use the echo here and say here 2 parentheses and cat etc bandit underscore pass bandit 24. Here we echo out the password of bandit 24. Alongside this, we're gonna need to put here the 4 digits. So we have w x y z. So 1 for w and 1 for x, 1 for y, and 1 for z. So the word list, as I said earlier, will contain multiple lines. Every line will have password, bandit 24, and the 4 digits. And then we're gonna send this to word list. Let's say numeric list. Yeah, word list. The file name, we will not argue about this. And say here done. done for this loop, done for this loop, and done for this loop. So that's your for loop, or that's the script. So exit. What happened? Save modified wire. Yes, save. Come on, permission denied. Okay, let's copy that. Okay, no. Nano temp bandit 25.sh. Okay, it worked here. So chmod temp bandit 25.sh. Let's give it 777. So now we created the script. Let's run the script now. Like that. Word list of text permission denied. Okay, let's modify this. Okay. All right. So here we're gonna need to change the directory to where we save the word list. So slash temp slash create a word list in the word list in the temp directory and run. Okay, I think now it worked. Let's wait now. Okay, so cat temp word list of text. So that's your word list. As you can see, every line contains the password alongside the 4-digit number. All right, the next level now, the next step is to connect to port 30,002 and send this word list. So we can do this by saying cat word list of text and say here pipe this to nc localhost 30,002. All right, so here now we are sending the word list to the server or the localhost listening on port 30,000. Now it will compare. It will read every line through the word list and see if one of these lines matches the correct code. When it matches, it will send you the password. The password will be sent here actually in the command line, but we don't want this to be sent in the output. We're going to overwhelm the screen. We're going to redirect this to a file called pass.text or temp. We don't want it to complain about permission denied, so permission denied, no such file or directory. Yeah, exactly. So here specify the location of the word list. Permission denied, temp pass.text. Okay, how about here? Where are my where do I have permissions anyway? Okay, so let's create the file now actually in temp pass.text. Unwritable pass touch pass2.text at temp. Okay, run now the command. Specify the file we created. Come on, man. Okay. All right, let's see now. Let's see here. Now it will, as I said earlier, it will compare everything. It will compare the correct one to the list here and send out the content to the pass2. Let's cut out the content of the pass2. I I'm forgetting I am under the home directory, that's why it's all the time giving me this. So as you can see, we have many incorrect attempts of the code, and the only one that worked is which one? No idea. But just we're giving the password of the user bandit 25 here. Now you can take the password and connect. Sage bandit 25 localhost. Let's see if this works. And yes, we are on the bandit 25. Let's see where we are. Bandit 20. So level 25. Okay, so we're here. Okay, I am thinking of postponing this to the next video. Enough for this now. In the next video, we're gonna see if we can start from here and go all the way till, or complete all the levels. Actually, nothing left. We have about 7 to 8 levels to complete. So that was for today. I hope you found this informative, and see you later.